Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So on today's video, I am doing a huge Christmas giveaway. Now, this was so last minute. Normally I would plan my giveaways like a few weeks in advance, but I became lost with ideas on what to film. Yes, that does happen. So I thought I would do a Christmas giveaway because I know a lot of people out there can't afford Christmas presents or can't afford gifts, and some families, they don't get many gifts because it is actually a hard time of year. The financial stress goes up really high and it's the holidays. I know some students don't get student allowance over the holidays, and I don't know, I was just thinking about all that stuff and thought that I would do a Christmas giveaway and have one lucky winner win a whole bunch of stuff to make their Christmas. And also to say thank you to you guys for all your support this year. I can't believe it is December already. Like, what? Where has the time gone? That's absolutely crazy to me. But yeah, I always appreciate you guys so much, and I do recognize the ones that comment on my videos all the time. I notice you guys and I'm so appreciative for you all. This giveaway is going to be international and you can enter over on my Instagram as well. I just love the reactions when one of you guys win one of my giveaways. Like, it is just so heartwarming, and this is also a reason why I do it. I have so much makeup that I do nothing with, and it honestly just sits there. And I do give away a lot to my family and friends, but I get so much to the point where I've got even more than that, and this is why I do so many giveaways. And yeah, I'm just so grateful for everything that I am sent. So this giveaway is open until the 20th of December, 5 PM New Zealand time. So anyway, rule number 1 is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Obviously, if you guys aren't subscribed, then what are you doing here? I hope you guys like my videos. I upload lots of reviews, fashion, makeup, sometimes challenges, sometimes vlogs. I do it all. Mostly makeup and fashion though, because they're my two like passionate things. But anyway, subscribe to my channel. Rule number 2 is follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here on the screen. It is just Alyshia Jones with 2 S's. I upload mostly makeup looks now, so I hope you guys enjoy my Instagram page if you aren't following me already. And when you go and follow me on Instagram, you might see the giveaway post, the giveaway photo. So if you do, you can enter over on there as well. You don't have to though, that is not part of the rules, but I'm just saying you might get higher chances, because if I see you entering on YouTube and then I see you entering on Instagram, I'll be like, that person is keen. And rule number 3 is comment down below your Instagram username and tell me what you want to see. Like, what do you want to see more of from me? Do you want to see more vlogs and life stuff in general? Do you want to see more makeup tutorials? Do you want to see more palette reviews? Do you want to see like just something fully different? I don't know. So let's retrace the rules in case I kept blabbing on and you forgot them already. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, comment your Instagram username down below and what you want to see more of. It sounds like a lot, but a lot of you guys would have already been subscribed already, and it takes like 2 seconds to comment, and following someone on Instagram takes like 3 seconds. So it's easy as that. If you don't follow all of the rules and you are picked for the winner, then I will pick a new winner. I kind of had a theme going for this giveaway. It is pink themed, woohoo! I know it should be like red and green themed for Christmas, but whatever. I do it my own way. So yeah, I tried to incorporate things that were quite bright and out there as well, especially because over the summer it is festival season here in New Zealand and like in Australia. Okay, the first thing is Christmas themed. It is the Skin Kitchen limited edition gingerbread body scrub. I don't think they sell these anymore because they sent this to me so long ago, but it is fully sealed. And don't mind the makeup that is stained on here. But look, it's got gingerbread men all over it. And it says this is a limited edition. And it says this is gingerbread, so oh my gosh, that honestly sounds amazing. Also, we've got some stickers from the latest Mecca Max holiday collection. This came with some of these things that I'm going to show you. But I thought, how cute. I'm just going to put these stickers in here because they're quite girly, and you can decorate like your phone cases with them, or stick them in like your beauty room, or I don't know, put it on your school books if you are at school. From the Mecca Holiday Mecca Max collection, I have the Wild and Free All Over palette. Now, I was so wanting to keep this for myself, but I have been given and brought so much palettes recently that I just knew I had to give it away. Such cool packaging. I absolutely love this. Stay tuned for this palette. Look at this. Oh my god. It is so cool. and the shades look amazing. So there is so many amazing shades. Look at this pink. And then you've also got a lip gloss in there, an eyeliner, a bronzer, blushes, and a highlighter. So also from the Makeup Maxima collection, I did get sent a brush set, but I did get sent a brush set, but I kept the brushes because I actually needed some more brushes. But I'm giving away this cute little makeup bag that it came with. So it says Makeup Max on it, and it is like chrome. It is so pretty, the perfect size to just put your essentials in. Next thing we have, it looks like a little present. This is from Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild stuff. This is their mini mascara collection. Next, for you festival lovers, this is the Beauty Edit MCo Beauty limited edition collection. And the face of this collection is Sophie Monk, who is currently on Love Island Australia, which I'm obsessed with at the moment. But here is some jewels. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, I love glamming up for festivals. So you also get the MCo Beauty limited edition collection brush set, and you get 5 brushes in the set. And look how cool those handles are. I love this packaging too, like the pink and the yellow. I think it is so pretty. Okay, so this is a lipstick and lip gloss kit. So anyway, we have the Mega Blush Just Peachy Matte and Shimmer Pressed Powder. So this is a huge blush, and it's from MCo Beauty. Look how cool that is. You're never going to run out of blush. Also from MCo Beauty, we have the eyeshadow palette, and this has 20 matte and sparkling shimmer shades. So very nice, and I love how the packaging is really flat. So yeah, it's quite neutral, which I really love. I love neutral palettes, and you've got some amazing shades in there. I love this brown. Okay, next we have some face masks, because obviously over summertime or just over winter time, you want to keep your skin hydrated and feeling nice and soft, and these are from the Cream Shop, and these are Korean. Next, for the festive season, we have the NYX Glitter Gold Glitter Kit. So of course I could not add glitter in here because it's Christmas. Christmas just makes me think of like sparkling things, and I don't know. So yes, and this comes with 3 glitters, and it also comes with a glue. So yay, that is really cool. Then we have the Redken Backcombing Finishing Spray. Of course, over this time of year, you want your hair to look on fleek, especially over New Year's and Christmas. More glowing products for beautiful skin. We have NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster. So you can add this in your foundation on its own to give you that perfect glow. You have more eyeshadow. We have the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. Very cute packaging, and it looks like this, so quite neutral as well. It reminds me of that MCo Beauty palette. This was also very hard for me to give away, so this is the Stila Iridescent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. I love Stila liquid eyeshadows, and this just reminded me of like Christmas time, and it's really festive and they're quite glittery. So you've got the shade Dolish, Stylish, and Embellish in there. So who doesn't love Stila? Like, come on. Then I thought I'd add a mascara. So this is called the Maybelline Snap Mascara. So it is Smooth Clump Free Volume. Dark maroon purple reminds me of Christmas, and you can get creative with your makeup looks over New Year's and this festive season. Okay guys, this is probably going to be one of the most sought after products in this whole giveaway. We have something from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. So anyway, we've got the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Jeffree What the Fuck. Now this is cool. I'm giving this one away because I do have the whole pig liquid lip collection. This is my favorite color out of the whole liquid lipsticks. And it is very cool. I have used this pink before, not this one, but out of my pig set. So here's the packaging. Oh my goodness, it is so cool. The packaging honestly slays. Mind my disgusting nails. That is a nail biter life, like honestly. And I forgot to put on my fake nails, which I'm gonna do. We've got some more kind of festive things. So we've got the Chi Chi Lip Metals Lip Lacquer. And this is in the shade Slay. Very cute. Like Santa's sleigh, but also slay like you look good kind of thing. I don't know, I'm weird. These are cruelty free as well, so very exciting. It is a nice like darker brown. I think that would look really cool on darker skinned girls. And then we have the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Red Quartz. Now this looks stunning. It's like really pink and sparkly and beautiful. We also have the Rimmel London Lip Art Lip Top Coat. So it's like a gold, perfect for Christmas time. You can become a penguin. Very cute. Then we have the Cream Shop Charcoal Almond. So this is for drawing out toxins to purify and clear skin. So that sounds amazing. I should really be using that myself. And then we have the collagen face mask. So this reduces the look of fine line and wrinkles and diminishes appearance of age spots and helps firms and smoothen. Oh my god, yes please. And look at that packaging. I love anything that's holographic. We have more brushes because a girl can't have enough brushes, and these are all slightly different to that other one. So this is OXX. You can get this from Kmart. It comes with a fan brush, a powder brush, concealer brush, eyeshadow brush, angled eyeshadow brush. Next we have something from Wet n Wild. So this is the Pump Full Circuit No Limit palette. And I think this is for like your eyes, cheeks, and also lips as well. Yes, it is. So yeah, this looks really cute. So you can obviously wear these on your lips. We have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Siberian Gold. Who doesn't love Jeffree Star Cosmetics? Honestly, after watching their whole series, it makes you just want to buy everything out of their collection. Then we have the Milani Floral Fantasy Rose Powder Blush. And you've got 3 shades. So pretty. I love those roses. And very exciting, I'm giving away some Tailor Skincare. I really love their oil cleanse to get off my special effects makeup and makeup. So this is the Tailor Clear Skin Kit. Kit contains award-winning Tailor Polish, so the scrub, spot treatment and detox mask, and then it also has the Tailor Renew in it, which is anti-aging and anti-blemish probiotic serum. So yeah, you get those 2 in this kit, so that is very exciting. Okay, next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Oh my gosh, I wasn't going to give this away, but I have like 3 other Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits. Here is the shades. I personally wouldn't use these 2 because they're quite dark, but I would use one of these 2, preferably probably this one because I love light gold shades. Oh my gosh, some more highlighters. I know I've got another highlighter. This is from the brand MF Minfie, I think. This is a smooth shimmer highlighter and the packaging is really cute, and look at it in there. It is like a light champagne colour. And also in here is the Nivea cream. This provides the skin with all the protective care it needs to stay soft and supple. Ideal for daily use wherever skin needs care. Skin compatibility, dermatologically approved. So, okay, we've got some more things. I, of course, had to include some kind of red lip product because Christmas makeup, the first thing I think of is a red lip. We have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Singapore. It's like a darker red, which I think looks so cool on everybody, every skin tone. Then we have the LA Girl Brow Bestie, and this is in the shade Dark Blonde. So yay, who doesn't love a good brow pencil? Also from Wet n Wild, we have a Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in the shade Cedar Later. I really like this colour. Who doesn't love a nudie brown shade? Like, that is so cool. And then we have the Revlon Cloud Blotted Lip Colour. So I think this would look really nice in all times of the year, just to give like your lips a slight colour, because I know a lot of you guys don't like wearing lipsticks because the way it feels on your lips. So this is just a blotted lip colour that just adds colour, but it feels like you're wearing nothing. So it comes like this. I think it's in a little dropper bottle. It kind of looks like it is. And then we have 2 lipsticks from Rimmel London. So we've got the shade Extra, and then we've got the shade Cray Cray. We've got a really dark brown and a purple to be nice and fun. So those are 2 lipsticks. Then we've got another brow pencil. This is called Drawing Eyebrow. So this is like a really dark brown, almost black color. One side comes with a spoolie and one side is the pencil. So these are the Glam Pro by Manicare Magnetic Lashes. So we've got 2 of the natural collection. We have one in the style Charlotte, and then we have one in the style Willow. And I also included the Glam Pro by Manicare Magnetizing Eyeliner. You get all of those. So you put this eyeliner on top of your eye, and then you literally stick this on top. and it's magnetic lashes, and it just goes on like that. Then we have more like highlighting stuff. We've got the NYX Holographic Halo Finishing Powder. So this can be used all over your face to add a nice shine, or glow I should say. And this is in the shade Mermazing, which is a really cute name, and look, it's actually holographic. I love that. And then we have 3 more things, finally getting through it slowly. So we've got the Wet n Wild Pump On Your Matte Oil Absorbing Blotting Papers. If you're living somewhere where it's summer, these are gonna be your best friend, because these are like little papers and you take them out and you can like blot your face to absorb any excess oils. Then we have a foundation. If it doesn't suit you guys, you could give it away to your friends or family that may suit it. So this is from Wet n Wild. This is the Cover All Cream Foundation, and this is in the shade Light Medium. And the lucky last thing is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. So this is such cool packaging. I absolutely love this. It's like all shimmery and it's got roses on it. It's got a little dropper, and you use this to prime your face or just to add a bit of shimmer under your foundation to make your skin look honestly flawless. They say primer serums with a little bit of shimmer in it just makes you look so flawless, and it just does something. I don't know, it just adds something to your foundation. So anyway, I finally got through all of those products. Remember, if you want to enter, follow all those rules. And remember, this closes on the 20th of December at 5 p.m. New Zealand time. This giveaway is international, and you can enter as many times as you like. And you can even go and enter over on Instagram as well. So yes, thank you guys so much once again for all your love and support this year. And I hope you guys are happy with this giveaway that I'm doing, and I hope you guys do enter. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more YouTube giveaways, because I've only done it ever so often, but you guys seem to love it on YouTube. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!